سلام، من مجید هستم. You are learning Persian with Majid. In this section, Persian words and phrases in use, I will introduce you Persian words and phrases in particular subjects and categories with examples as they are used in real-life Farsi conversations. Numbers.
یک
یک
دو
دو
سه
سه
چهار
چهار
پنج
پنج
شیش
شیش or shesh. Shesh is the formal form for six and shish is the spoken form.
هفت
هفت
هشت
هشت
نه
نو
ده
ده
یازده
یازده
دوازده
دوازده
سیزده
سیزده
چهارده
چهارده
پونزده
پونزده or پانزده the formal form.
شونزده
شونزده or شانزده the formal word.
هیفده
هفده or هفده
هیجده
هیجده or هجده
نوزده
نوزده
بیست
بیست
بیست و یک
بیست و یک. From now on you have only O here which means and, which means 20 and 1 or 21. So you can continue with 22 بیست و دو بیست و سه بیست و چهار and so on.
سی
C and also you can say 31 سی و یک
چهل
چهل
پنجاه
پنجاه
شصت
شست
هفتاد
هفتاد
هشتاد
هشتاد
نود
نود
صد
صد
دویست
دویست or دویست which is the formal version.
سیصد
سیصد
چهارصد
چهارصد or چهارصد
پونصد
پونصد or پانصد
ششصد
ششصد or ششصد
هفتصد
هفتصد
هشتصد
هشتصد
نهصد
نهصد
هزار
هزار
2000
2000 and then you can continue with 3000 4000 5000 and so on.
میلیون
میلیون
1 میلیون
then you can have 1 میلیون 2 میلیون 3 میلیون and so on. Let's have some examples how to read these numbers in Persian. So we have 56. What is 50? It is panja. Then you have 6. In between you must have and, which is o in Persian. So we say panjaho shish. Here we have 813. You should start with 800, which is hashsad. Then you have o, which is and. Then 13, sizdah. Hashsadu sizdah. Then you have 2020. First you say 2000, which is 2000. Then you have o and 20, beast. 2020. Here you have 33,500. So we start with 33,000, which is 33,000. 33,000. Then you have 500. O 500. 33,500. Here we have 5,750,000. First we have 5 million, 5 million, then we have O and 7,000, hafsad, then we have O and here we have 50, 50,000, 5,750,000